So you can see right here in one of my payment accounts, I've been able to generate $300, $50, $300, $300 over and over and over again. And inside this video, I'm going to reveal a totally automated way you can start to generate massive free organic traffic to promote whatever affiliate offer you want to promote. And later on in the video, I'm even going to share with you a totally free tool you can use to ramp up your results and make this method work even better. So if you're excited to learn that, be sure to smash the like button right now to let me know. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive in right now. So the very first step with this powerful method is we need to find a product to promote. There's a lot of places. One place is Digistore24. Now, if you don't have an account, you can actually go there, go to the top right, register now, and then you can go ahead and log in and go to your marketplace. Now, I'm actually going to include a link directly below to my #1 affiliate program to join and promote that pays you 100% instant commissions. But if you want to use Digistore, we can go ahead and use that as well. Okay, so once you're inside, you're going to want to choose a category. Now, for the sake of this video, I'm going to do dating, love, and relationships, but you really can use any category for this method. Now, I'm actually going to look, and you want to see, what's the average earnings? Okay, you want to keep in mind, you want to make this ideally as high as possible. $31 is not too bad, 90% commission. And this one right here has insane conversions. So if you just want to use the dating niche, you can promote this product as well. So it's His Secret Obsession. It's a product that has to do with helping thousands of women improve their relationships. Okay, so if you don't have the link right here, you just want to click promote now. This will automatically generate the link, and then we can go ahead and copy that there. Now I'm going to put it in a notepad file so I can go ahead and keep this handy. Okay, we're going to use this a little bit later in the video. Now the next step is we want to go over to YouTube, and we want to actually start typing a few words that have to do with what our product teaches or helps people with. So in this case, it's dating tips for women. Okay, so I just want to type that in, and I want to see any keywords that drop down like this. Okay, because what we're going to do is we're going to actually find a keyword on YouTube and then use this a little bit later. So dating tips for, like I said, women, for girls, for older guys. Okay, so you can get a lot of information here, but I'm actually just going to do the keyword dating tips for women. Now, whatever keyword you use that YouTube shows you and it's relevant to your product, you now want to go to Google and you want to type in that keyword and search it. And you want to find an article that actually gives tips around that topic. Okay, so for this example, it's dating tips for women. So I can open up this article, and you can see right here, they have all these different tips. Okay, number one, know your non-negotiables, don't limit yourself. What I want to do is I want to copy this entire article and I want to paste it into a Google document or a notepad file. Okay, just paste it somewhere where you can edit this very quickly. Okay, so I actually pasted it in a Google document, and what you want to do is you want to remove any text that isn't the exact tip. Okay, so you can see right here, it says don't limit yourself, and then it gives you this paragraph. We don't need this paragraph. You just need the tips. Now, if there's like 15 tips, this method's going to work anywhere from about 5 to 10 tips at the most. Okay, so I'm just going to do 5 just for the sake of this video. So I'm going to erase all the other ones. Now, the next step we want to do is we don't want to just use this exactly because that's plagiarizing and we're just kind of taking the article. So what we're going to do is use a little known free tool. Okay, if I copy this and I go to a site called spinbot.com, what this site does is it actually spins and changes text to make it your own. So if I paste this in right here, okay, and I click this little icon here, I make sure I finish the CAPTCHA, okay, to prove I'm not a robot. And you can see right here that it actually edited. Okay, so know your non-negotiables. That first one is the same. Don't limit yourself. Try not to restrict yourself. Don't lie. Don't even inflate the truth. Try not to lie. Don't for even moments swell reality. Okay, so it's very similar, but it's different enough. Now, the next step is we're actually going to use a little known free software with this powerful method to get organic traffic. So what we want to do is go to a website called invideo.io. Now, there's going to be a link directly below in the description. And what you can do is you can actually get started totally for free. Okay, so you can use this for free. Just click that button right there, and then you just create a free account. You can sign up with a Google or Facebook, or you can just put in your email, create a password, and then create an account. Now, within video, there are different plans. Okay, now you can do this method totally for free with the free plan, but I do highly recommend, if you really like this method and you want to continue and do it long term, you think about getting at least the business level. It's It's $15 a month, and it allows you to use this without any watermark, which adds to the method, okay? So you'll see in just a second, but like I said, you can just use the free plan. So now once you create an account inside of InVideo, you wanna log in, and there's different types of templates you can create. Now what this website does is this literally creates videos based on text that you enter, okay? So what we're gonna be doing is using videos that you don't have to create yourself, you don't have to put your face out there, that will literally be compelling, and we can use this for free organic traffic. So click text to video, and then once you do that, you want to actually make sure that it's the 16:9, and you want to look down, and you can really choose any of these templates, okay? So all of them are pretty good. I'm just going to choose the professional business template just for the sake of this video, okay? And I can go ahead and click use this template. Okay, so for the headline, it doesn't really matter. This is more for you, but I can put in, dating tips for women just to understand for myself and remember as I create more videos. Now for the ad story, you just want to copy in those tips that you swiped and change slightly, okay? So the next thing, we want to add spaces, because when you add spaces, what this tells this free software is to make each one of these lines a different slide in the video. Make sure you click auto suggest images and videos, and then just click next. And what this does is this is literally creating a video out of what we put in. Okay, so it went ahead and created a video. Now you can see this is absolutely incredible. It has the title right there, and it has all these different slides with the tips. So know your non-negotiables, and then it has an image. Try not to restrict yourself. It has an image. Try not to lie. Okay, so you can see that it automatically created all these slides just with a click of a button. Now you can actually, edit this media. If you want to drag and drop, you can actually go to images as well, and you can go ahead and just change this image if you want, or you can just go ahead and use it. So if I wanted to change it, I could even search. Okay, so I could say, women, right? Because this has to do with women, and I can go ahead and search that like that. And then if I want to replace it, I can go ahead and do that. Okay, so I can just literally drag it right there, and then it edits very, very simply. So it's really, really drag and drop, and this is an incredible free software. Like I said, if you do the plan, it will actually remove this little watermark. But once you do that, if you want to edit even more, you can go to advanced editor, but again, this is not necessary. Okay, so you can see right here in the advanced editor, we can actually edit each of the slides. You can add, as you can see right here, different music, different text. You can add a video if you want. But again, if you really just want to make this automated and simple, you can literally just go ahead and export right here, and then you can go ahead and export it to a computer or wherever you're actually using this software. But I want to play this just for a few seconds so you can see what it looks like and realize how powerful this actually is. Okay, pretty darn amazing, right? So once you export it, the next step we want to do is we want to go to YouTube, and you want to actually create a channel. Now you want to create a channel that's actually in the niche that your product you're promoting is in. Now you can see right here, this one is in dating tips. You can see they have a cover photo, they have a profile photo. Now this channel is using very similar videos to the ones InVideo can create for free. You can see that it doesn't show anyone's actual face. You don't know who owns this channel, but they're just using very similar slides and animated videos, and they're getting a ton of views. You can see 14,000 views, 10,000 views. Okay, you don't need a lot of views. It's more about targeted views from people that want problems solved. And then the next step is what happens is when you upload this video, what you want to do is you want to go to a site called tinyurl.com. And remember, we saved our affiliate link. You want to open that up. You want to put it in here, and you want to click make tiny URL, because what this does is this actually shortens your affiliate link, making it more attractive. Okay, so you just want to copy that there, and then you want to upload your video. Okay, so you can see right here, this is a video that someone uploaded in the dating niche. You want to upload the video, and you want to put in your tiny URL, your affiliate link, in the first line of your description. And then what you want to do to make sure this ranks for the keyword is you want to add that keyword. Remember, Remember how we found dating tips for women? We know that's a good keyword because it's actually showing up in the searches, meaning YouTube is recommending that, telling us other people are searching that. We want to use that in the title, okay? So you could say dating tips for women that you must know, okay? So you can add a few words to it to make it more clickbaity, make it more interesting, but you do want to include the keyword here and ideally put the keyword a few times in your description and also in your tags. Now, if you do that, that video will start showing up in the searches, and then people will watch your video, they'll get value, they'll see, you know, it's interesting, they'll learn something, and then a lot of people will click the link in your description, going to the high converting affiliate offer, buying, and making you money. Now, the cool thing about this method is as these videos get more and more views over time, you can see this video was posted in 2017, it's still getting 40 views an hour, and this guy can still be making sales for years to come, and you can too. So I really hope you enjoyed learning this powerful strategy. Be sure to click the links directly below if you want to discover my #1 affiliate program to promote with this method, and also to access that software so you can create these free videos and generate free organic traffic on autopilot. Anyway, my friend, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.